number one, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report for Phillip in South Carolina on the Stryker 447hpc2. Phillip got you ready to go, bud. Toshiba voltage regulator and just the tune alignment. And we've set up for the amp you said you were going to run. So you're going to be running your RF power all the way down, which is a 50 watt slug. Key's 1 watt. Let me roll it all the way up. So you're going to be at about 14 watts all the way up if you decide to run just the radio. Show you average power swing. Hello. 44, 45 bird, 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. About 95 peak. Now roll it all the way down there to 1 watt. Hello, 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 hello. Still doing the 95 peak. All right, Phillip, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bop, bop.